guarantee I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, but most often I upload every single day, so you're going to want to subscribe. Today I have a wig review from another company that I'm like falling in love with. Don't worry, future sequel. You're still my bae. But, I don't know. This company's really doing something for me. This is from the Magic Lace. This is their eye part line. And this is MLI303. I have in the color DYX/brown. It's a shiftable parting. I did show when I got this chick together in the clips that I'll add in how I shifted it. And heat safe up to 360 degrees. I got it from Hair Sisters for $34.99. Texture of this hair is a light yucky texture, but there is a very silky smoothness to it. I like the color mix. It's just gonna be like a, you know, when you get a dark root 30, that's what it is basically. It's rooted all the way through, which is super pretty. If you were to shift this, one side will be a little bit longer, so I would just like tuck it behind the ear like that if you're going to shift it to one side or the other. The wig cap is comfortable. I wouldn't say it's overly large. Oh, it's so soft. This is definitely a multicultural option. This is so pretty. Let me just check the back because I don't like a harsh angle. So let's see. From the front, I'm loving it. Let's see from the back. You know, this I don't mind just because, like, I live in the frozen tundra, so often we're wearing coats and sweaters and things, and then this way it's not like getting caught. This is the angle, so it's a pretty angle. I love like the sort of like wavy but blunt cut. I really like this wig. I've been impressed with every single one so far. I have 2 or 3 more to review, but out of the 3 that I've reviewed so far, I love all 3. So, yeah. Okay, Magic Lace, you might be giving my free trust equal a run for the money. Anyway, so if you've tried this line before, please let me know and let me know your thoughts. If there's another Magic Lace wig that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.